Alright. Hey, what's up, community? It's Snail. I'm on an alternate account. And we're going to be doing a trade-up contract to hopefully get the R8 Revolver Fade. Now. Yeah, I know, Malcolm. It is a scary meme. Alright, so it's 60-40 chance of something from the Revolver collection. We need the Revolver Fade here. This cost me like $19. I better get this Revolver Fade. Revolver. I can't even look. I'm leaving this room. I'm out. I'm fucking out, dude. Dude, fuck this, dude. Holy shit. Dude, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Holy shit. Come on, please. Come on, please. Come on, baby. Come on, please. Come on, please. Alright, that's the Royal Medallion. Looks battle scarred. It's field tested. Oh, dude, we almost got the Revolver. How much is that? Oh, no. Okay, so we lost like $1. No biggie. Oh, dude, thank God I didn't get a Hyper Restore Neon Rider. $18.